Whole home backup has been a game changer for these solar panel battery installations. But if we're looking at like a 200 amp transfer switch and we're saying whole home backup on our 200 amp service, do we really have 200 amps of backup? What's the limitations? If you take a look at SolarEdge backup interface, the Enphase, their smart switch, Tesla has a gateway. There's two main limitations. The first one is phase imbalance. And if you have too much electricity being drawn on line 1 versus line 2, your system can't output that power. For most of these transfer switches, it's limited 3,000 to 5,000 watts. The other limitation is that although your transfer switch is rated for 200 amps, you're limited to what the inverters can supply your home. You can take the inverters, what their continuous output is for the attached battery or solar, and that's what your system can output. You're looking at probably 50 amps for your system, not 200 amps. If you try to turn on your oven and your air conditioner and the lights in the TV, your system's going to shut down. It won't be able to supply that. Although you have 200 amp transfer switch, you only have 50 amps of power provided by your solar and batteries. I would recommend, if you have a solar panel or battery system, that you test it out. I've met a lot of homeowners who bought batteries and solar panels and they never tried to go off grid and try to turn on various appliances, and they found out during a power outage months or a year later that their system wasn't even installed correctly, or it wasn't doing what they thought it was going to do. If this was helpful information, please, as always, subscribe to my channel. Check out the other videos and playlists that I have. I'm hoping to provide you guys with good, quick content about solar and battery related topics.